Yes, students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. The Chinese born virus has put life at risk. People are dying because of this COVID 19 infection. Life is fully disturbed. Fear and scare can be seen on the faces of the people. In these days, you must be extra vigilant, you must be extra careful so that you can save your lives first. Life is irreversible change. Once it goes away, it can't be reversed. Dear students, you are badly hit by this pandemic. Academically, schools remain shut for quite longer duration of time. And from 21st of September 2020, partial mode of physical teaching has resumed in schools and even elementary schools are closed. Dear students, you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work so that you can crack the coming examinations with ease. You are badly hit by this pandemic. In order to compensate this loss, you have to do extra hard work and you have to remain busy with the books. Dear students of class 12th subject political science, today we are dealing with one more important organ of United General United Nations Organization, that is the International Court of Justice, simply as ICJ. This International Court of Justice is sometimes serving as the World Court. It settles dispute between the states or between a state and state in accordance with international law and gives legal opinions on the international legal issues. Dear students, remember the International Court of Justice is the justice body and sometimes serves as the world court, and it settles disputes between various states. Naturally, disputes arise in accordance with the international law. It is the only body that gives the formal decision of if the dispute arises between the two states in accordance with the international law, thus serves as the organ that settles disputes between a state and state internationally, and thus having the or serves as the primary source of the international law. Dear students, this is the only main organ of United Nations that is located or situated outside the New York City. It is situated or located in Peace Palace in Hague, Netherlands. Their students is the successor of Permanent Court of Justice that was formed when League of Nations was formed. So the League of Nations ultimately failed when Second World War broke out. So it is the successor of Permanent International Court of Justice that was formed in 1920. Dear students, this body or this consists of 15 judges and they are elected by General Assembly and Security Council for the period of 9 years. Remember, this court consists of 15 judges and these judges are elected by General Assembly, UN General Assembly and Security Council for the period of 9 years, and not more than one judge should belong to the same nationality or same country. Dear students, so you have to remember that the International Court of Justice is sometimes serving as the world court. It settles the disputes between the states in accordance with the international law and gives legal advisory on the international issues. You might have in mind that India many a times approached International Court of Justice in case of Kulbhushan Yadav, that is jailed in who is jailed in Pakistan. Dear students, this organization have is the main organization, and this main organization is situated outside the New York City. It is seated in Peace Palace in Hague in Netherlands. So I'm repeating the things for you in short. The International Court of Justice (ICJ) is the successor of what Permanent Court of Justice that was formed after the end of Second World War, after the end of First World War when League of Nations was formed. It sometimes serves as the world court and settles disputes between states. Disputes naturally arise in accordance with the international law. It gives the legal opinions and legal advices on international disputes. Thus, it serves as the primary source of international law. It is only the main organization that is seated outside New York City. It is seated in Peace Palace in Hague, Netherlands. It consists of now 15 judges, and these judges are elected by UN General Assembly and Security Council for a period of 9 years. Not more than one judge should belong to the same country or same nationality. Dear students, you have to remember this organization or this justice body serves as the primary source of the international law, and it is only the body that gives the judgments or the final judgments on the disputes when they arise between a state and state and between the states and states, thus serves as the primary source of international law. Dear students, this is all about the International Court of Justice in brief. If any sort of confusion or query may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on my number that's already in your possession, and when you call me or WhatsApp me within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, better is to put extra efforts, do extra hard work so that you can crack the coming examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, do hard work, do self-study, and self-study and hard work can enhance your capabilities and abilities, and your future would be promising and flourishing. Dear students, be balanced.